This is how I gather my fabrics on my sewing machine. I've seen it on another YouTube video, and that's how I learned how to do it. So you pull your threads, both lots of thread, really long. Put your fabric under your foot that you want to gather, the edge that you want to gather, and then you lay your threads at the top of your fabric where you want it gathered, like this. Pop your foot down and then zigzag, have it on the highest zigzag, mine's number 4, and then literally zigzag over those 2 threads. Do it all the way down, like this. You can see that I'm catching both of those threads in my zigzag, and I'm keeping it towards the edge of my fabric. When you get to the end, cut off the bit that you've sewn, not the long length, and then you literally just pull it like this, and it does the perfect gather. Perfect gather, and it doesn't take long to do either. So yeah, that's my little tip on how to gather on a machine.